From grind to greatness. In this video, we will explore the revolutionary opportunity of becoming a NextGen Freelancer, how you can leverage modern technology and start strategy to elevate your freelancing business. Hello and welcome to this exciting Be a NextGen Freelancer 3-part series on creating an effective, smart, hassle-free, and less time-consuming freelance business with minimal investment. If you're here, you're likely tired of the 9-to-5 grind and ready to explore how freelancing can transform your life. Whether you are new to freelancing or looking to enhance your current approach, you're in the right place. My technique will make your work smarter so you'll never have to worry about your full-time job again. What makes a NextGen Freelancer? It's all about working smart and not hard, less hassle and more efficiency. My goal is to guide you into transforming your freelance approach. A NextGen Freelancer doesn't hustle for every job. Instead, they focus on securing higher paying opportunities, ensuring you get the pay that you deserve without struggling for every gig. This is the new and smart, hassle-free and efficient way to freelance. Smart freelancers adopt effective and efficient strategies, combining modern technology to stay ahead of the curve. They use AI and automation tools to streamline their workflow, win jobs faster, and make money quicker. I've honed a refined process of freelancing, turning what used to be a grind into a simplified approach. You don't need to stress over every small job when you can use data and insight to strategically target the right opportunities. Instead of hustling day in and day out, let technology do the heavy lifting while you focus on high-value projects. But it's not just about the tech. It's also about trusting your intuition. This comes from honing your listening skills and connecting with the clients at the human level. First and foremost, your clients are human beings who are investing in you to help them. When you make them feel seen and heard while delivering 100% on their projects, they become a repeated client. Freelancing sounds like the ultimate dream, doesn't it? Setting your hours, choosing the client, working from anywhere, what's not to love? But without the right strategy, it can quickly turn into late nights and constant stress. Feel like you're blending in with everybody else. Focus on niche and own it. Showcase real results in your portfolio and ask happy client for testimonial. They're your social proof. Burnout is real, but you can beat it. Tools like ClickUp and time tracking apps can help you stay organized. Time blocking lets you focus and stay productive without distractions. High-paying clients are not out of reach. Make your pitches personal, highly relevant, with a human touch that addresses their pain point. Follow up consistently because persistence pays off. Growth takes time, but with a solid plan, you can land high-paying clients if you give them the sense that you are carefully listening to them. Start small, reach out, and keep refining your pitch. Freelancing is the easiest path to entrepreneurship and escaping the 9-to-5 grind. Freelancing offers more flexibility and control, but it requires the right systems. Instead of waiting for permission from your boss, freelancing helps you to call the shots. You choose how and when you want to work, but only if you're organized and strategic. What I've learned is that freelancing doesn't mean chaos. It means control. The key to success: use the right tool to organize your project, set clear goals, and break tasks into manageable steps. Set long-term and short-term goals for your freelancing journey, as it's essential for your growth. Maybe your long-term goal is to land 3 high-paying clients, while your short-term goal is to complete your portfolio to improve your pitch. These goals help you to stay focused and motivated. behind, measuring progress along the way. By using apps like project management or setting clear priorities, you can avoid being overwhelmed and stay focused on what matters the most. Let me reveal the secret of NextGen Freelancer. Working smart, not hard, means you don't have to be everywhere at once. With the right tools and technology, you can focus on gigs that really matter, the ones that pay well and align with your skills. First, aim for high-value jobs. Forget chasing small opportunities. When you're selective and strategic, you can earn more with less effort. Next, embrace technology to enhance your workflow. Modern tools like AI, social media, analytics, and giving yourself the edge will help you stand out and land on jobs faster. By refining your approach, you can make money quicker. Streamline your process to eliminate unnecessary effort while maximizing your results. I'm Colette, a freelancer since 2000, and I built a six-figure business despite significant hair loss. My journey from traditional hustle to NextGen Freelancing has given me valuable insights into overcoming common challenges and achieve success. Why should you listen to me? I've been where you are, unsure, navigating the freelance world. Over the past 15 years, I've worked with hundreds of clients and built a thriving team, and even became top-rated plus freelancer on Upwork. But what's more important is that I learned exactly what it takes to succeed as a freelancer, and I'm here to share that with you. In this video, I'm going to help you shift your mindset about freelancing. It's not just about doing more work. It's about making the most of your time and focusing on what truly matters. But first off, I would like to shed a light on hidden aspects of overcoming self-doubt and the fear of failure. Starting as a freelancer, we're bound to face the nagging questions. Can I make this work? It's easy to get caught up in self-doubt and the fear of failure. But here's the thing. It's all about the process. Start with the small wins. Knock out a few smaller projects. Gather some positive feedback and watch how your confidence builds. Each win, no matter how small, gets you one step closer to feeling more comfortable with bigger projects. Embrace failure. Every successful freelancer has faced setbacks. Think of them as learning experience and not a reason to quit. Get comfortable with the idea that failure isn't at the end, it's just part of your journey. As freelancers, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, thinking you need to juggle everything yourself. But let's be honest, there's a smarter way to approach it. Let's talk about using technology to your advantage. Instead of letting the small tasks eat up your time, leverage tools that automate the repetitive stuff, whether it's setting up email templates, automating invoicing, or using project management apps. Technology can handle these details, freeing up your time to focus on bigger, more rewarding projects. Technology doesn't replace your creativity, it enhances it, so you can put your energy where it matters the most. Then there's the strategic targeting. It's tempting to take every gig that comes your way, but here's the deal. Not every project is a good fit. Get clear on what you do best and who your ideal client are, and go after those opportunities. By being strategic, you're investing in projects that align with your goals and expertise. It's not about taking any job that comes along. It's about attracting the right kind of work that will help you level up. Now think about streamlining your workflow. As freelancers, we wear a lot of hats, but that doesn't mean we need to do everything the hard way. Streamline your processes, set clear project timelines, batch similar tasks, and avoid jumping between projects. When your workflow is optimized, you don't waste time and you get more done without burning out. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about creating a system that makes your work smoother. And finally, let's talk about visibility. In a sea of freelancers, standing out can feel like a challenge, but the key to attracting the right client is making sure you're visible where it counts. Build your brand online, whether it's through social media as well as crafted portfolios or client testimonials. When you position yourself as the go-to expert in your niche, clients will find you. And when they find you, they will respect you and look up for your advice. These aren't just tips, they're the real strategy to help you work smarter and not harder, and take your freelancing career to the next level. Many people feel stuck in jobs that offer little fulfillment or financial freedom. They fear the instability of freelancing and are worried about finding the client and manage an inconsistent income. You've likely heard of the horror story of freelancers struggling to find clients or dealing with inconsistent income. You might be thinking, I can't do this, or what if I fail? These are all valid concerns, but they're also challenges that can be overcome. What I want to show you today is that freelancing is not just a risky side hustle. It can be reliable and a profitable business. The beauty of freelancing is that it gives you control. You decide when and where you work, who you work with, and how much you charge. Unlike traditional jobs where you're at the mercy of someone else's schedule and paycheck, freelancing puts the power back in your hands. Freelancing with a next-gen approach, leveraging technology and intuition, can minimize risk and maximize success. You'll have control over your work schedule, choice of clients, and earnings. Here is why the NextGen Freelancer model is transformative to building a business that gives you freedom and financial reward. First, there's minimal investment. You don't need a fancy office, tons of equipment, or large startup capital to become a freelancer. All you need is your skill set and a computer. You can start with zero investment and grow from there. Second, there's unlimited earning potential. There's no cap on how much you can earn as a freelancer, unlike a salaried job where your income is fixed. In freelancing, the more clients you have and the better your reputation, the more you can charge. Over time, you can scale your business, work with higher paying clients, and set your rates. Traditional jobs trap you in a cycle of dependency, working for someone else with limited growth. You dream of freedom but are stuck in the fear of uncertainty. Third, there's no formal dress code. Freelancing offers a transformative opportunity to create a work environment where personal appearance take on backseat to the skills and expertise. In traditional workplaces, physical appearance can sometimes influence perceptions and opportunities. But freelancing shifts the focus to the quality of the work and professional abilities. Fourth, no matter where you live, you have a global reach. Platforms on Upwork and Fiverr allow you to work with clients from around the world. You're not just limited to your local job market. Your clients can be anywhere, which means more opportunities and more chances to succeed. Fourth, no matter where you live, you have a global reach. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to work with clients from around the world. You're not just limited to your local job market. Your clients can be anywhere, which means more opportunities and more chances to succeed. Fifth, you can have a flexible lifestyle. Freelancing offers the kind of flexibility that traditional jobs can't. Want to work from home? Then go for it. Prefer working in a cafe or traveling? Then no problem. You have the freedom to create your work-life balance. Take me, for example. I started freelancing as a way to market my family's chiropractic clinic. And then over time, I transitioned to building a full-time career on Upwork and Fiverr. I worked from home, on the go, and even on vacation, all while earning a consistent income. Now let's address some common objections that you might have. Number one, freelancing can be too risky. What if I can't find clients? Yes, clients can be a challenge at times, but platforms like Upwork make it much easier. These platforms are designed to connect freelancers with clients who are actively seeking services. I'll show you how to craft a winning profile and proposal to attract clients in the upcoming videos. Number two, I don't have any marketable skills. Think again, freelancing covers a wide range of services, from writing and graphic design to consulting and programming. Even if you don't feel confident in your current skills, there are ways to improve and grow. Starting small allows you to learn as you go, gaining experience and credibility over time. Objection number 3, I am not good at marketing myself. My response is marketing is a skill that can be developed with practice and the right strategy. I can provide you with actionable steps and resources to improve your marketing efforts, such as crafting a compelling portfolio, optimizing your profile, and networking effectively. Let me share why I am so passionate about teaching freelancing and supporting individuals with disabilities. Growing up with 85% hearing loss, I faced numerous challenges that shaped my perspective on life and work. I struggled with communication barriers, self-doubt, and constant need to prove my worth. These experiences have given me a unique understanding of the obstacles that people with disability often encounter. My journey into freelancing started as a way to create opportunities for myself and eventually turn into a successful career. I've navigated the difficulties and uncertainties that come with freelancing and turned them into a six-figure income. Now I am dedicated to using my knowledge and experience to help others, especially those with disabilities, to achieve success. I teach freelancing not just to share the skills and strategies that had helped me, but to empower individuals who may feel limited by their circumstances. I want to provide practical tools and support to help people with disabilities find independence, control, and success through freelancing. I've been where you are, and I understand the unique challenges you face. My goal is to create an inclusive environment where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and achieve their dreams. Starting your freelancing journey does not mean it to be overwhelming, but you do want to take the right step first. And that step is downloading the workbook. This workbook is more than just a guide. It's a practical tool to help you assess where you are right now and where you want to go. It includes a self-assessment that will give you clarity about your skills, your goals, and the area that you need to work on. Once you have a workbook, you'll need the next step is to identify your skill. Don't overthink it. Just jot down what you're good at or what you're passionate about in learning. Freelancing isn't about having every skill perfected. It's about starting with what you already know and growing from there. The most important exercise to start with is recognizing your value that you bring to the table, even if it's just the beginning. With your skills in mind, sign up on a platform like Upwork or Fiverr if you haven't already. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just create a profile that highlights what you do, and as you get more experience, you can refine it. This is a journey, and starting is the most important part. Look for low-risk gigs that allow you to gain experience and build your confidence. Focus on completing smaller tasks and gathering positive feedback. Those small wins will add up and set a solid foundation for your career. The key step here is building your portfolio. If you're just starting, consider doing a few projects for free or at least lower rate to create something solid that showcases your skills. A strong portfolio is essential for landing bigger, higher paying projects down the road. And finally, take a moment to set clear goals and a vision for your freelancing journey. What does success look like to you? Whether it's a target income, a set number of clients, or a new skill, setting goals will help you to stay focused and motivated. Remember, the workbook is your first tool. It's there to guide you and help you figure out where you are now and plan out the next step. It's all about setting yourself up for success from the start. I want you to take that first step today. Download the free workbook below. This will help you assess whether freelancing is the right path for you. If you're serious about getting started, join the Facebook group to ask questions and share your thoughts. I'm here to help you as you begin your journey. In the next video, called The Client Code, we'll explore how freelancing can truly transform your life. We'll break down the common obstacles many freelancers face, and most importantly, how to overcome them. Stay tuned.